Hello dear students, how are you? Hope so you are doing great. I am Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel Maths Super Tips and Tricks. In this channel, I am going to teach the various levels of objective type examinations, especially JEE Mains and MCET, with amazing super tips and tricks I am using regarding the maths. In objective type of examinations, time is important. Within short term, you have to focus more number of questions. That is only possible if you know the shortcut methods. There are the plenty of topics in maths and different types of applications in objective type of examinations. No need to worry because in my videos I'm using the super tips and tricks to crack any type of question easily. And also in every video I'm explaining every topic with the concept, tips and tricks along with the previous MCET or previous JEE Mains questions depends upon the level of the video. That already uploaded more and more videos whose links are there below description. If you not yet watched, please watch them. And some videos links can be opened by click the I button on the top corner of every video. Okay, those are very helpful to you. Okay, if you not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe. At the same time, click the bell notification. Then every video notified to you. Right, that is only great helpful to you for your better progress. Okay, can you? Hope so you can do it. Right. So in today's session, I'm going to discuss about the previous important topic functions as a part 1. What I'm discussing today's session? Previous MCET on the topic functions as a part 1. Are you ready? Yes, without delay, let's get started. Right. This question which is given MCET 2011. Very simple question. What is that? If function from closed interval 2 to infinity open interval tends to be is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 5. F of x is given as x square minus 4x plus 5 function and its domain is given that closed interval 2 to open interval infinity, and this is called as B is called as codomain. E is given as bijection. Is given as bijection. Now we have to find out this B. B means we have to find out the codomain. Okay, bijection in the sense it is a injection as well as surjection. Already what are the types of functions? I made a video whose link is there in below description. How can you recognize types of functions, etc. So that is great helpful to you such type of questions. Bijection in the sense it is on1 and onto function. In case of onto, range is equals to codomain. So already B we want means we want indirectly range because given that this is a bijection. So range, to find out the range we have to use the domain values. What are the domain values of this function? Closed interval 2 to infinity means minimum we can take the 2, maximum up to infinity. From that we can find out the range. How can you find out the range? We can substitute the domain values in the function. We can find out the range. Simply range we can take for this one. For the solution, range is the f of 2 to infinity. Means what? Whatever may be x values, these are domain means x values, we can substitute in the function, we can find out the range. That means set of images is called. So minimum value is 2, that is 2 to infinity. What is the 2 here? In place of x, take the 2. Close interval, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 4 2 is 8 plus 5 to infinity. So this is equals to closed interval 4 plus 1, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 1 to infinity. This is equals to codomain. This is range is equals to B. That is called as codomain. Because of this is given as what? This is clearly given that, what is that function? This is a bijective. Bijective in the sense, there is a surjective also, right? One onto function. In case of onto, range is equals to codomain. We want B, that means codomain only we want, that is from closed interval 1 to infinity. That's it. Which option? Clearly second option. Is it clear? Very simple question. So range means what? Resultant value of the function where taking the x values. Domain means what? Set of the values of x. This is called as domain. Okay, by taking the domain values you can find out range values. Range is equals to codomain here in this case of bijective, maybe surjective, right? Now we can come to next question. This is a very simple question. What is that? First try to understand this question what is given here. If f from R to R is defined by f of x, this is called as step of x by 5, step x function. Step x function, okay, that is a mentioned already clearly for x belongs to R, where this indicates, this bracket indicates step y is indicated, denotes the greatest integer function which is not exceed y. Means what? You know, step x is always less than equals to x. Those special types of functions also are discussed in one of the video as a functions part 3. You can watch that one. That is also great helpful to you for previous MCET questions. Okay, right. So this is step function indirectly because mentioned already is given that this is step function, and also he is asking the not exceed y, then he is asking set of values of f of x where mod x is less than 71. Mod x is less than 70. What is meaning of this is we have to collect the f of x values when mod x is less than 71. You know, mod x is less than 71 means what? Mod x is less than 71 in the sense x belongs to open interval minus 71 to plus 71. You should remember, guys, this is a condition. If mod x is less than some a, then x belongs to minus a to plus a open interval. If it is less than equals to means we can use a closed interval. You know, open interval means excluding, closed interval means including. Okay, right. So we have to take the x values from minus 71 to plus 71. In between so many values are there. So by using x values from minus 71 to plus 71, we have to find out f of x values. That is only our required result. F of x is given as step of x by 5 means what? F of x means what here? F of minus 71 to 71. That is step of set interval. This is interval. In place of x, we can take minus 71 is minimum value, maximum value is plus 71. So we can take here step of minus 71 by 5. This is the minimum value, comma, step of 71. In place of x, we can take 71. This is maximum value, 71 by 5. This is 71, right? By 5. In this set, we can understand that we can find out simply how I will do this is. So if you take the x values, you know, this value 71 by 5 means what? 14.2 means what? This value is a interval, in the open interval, step of minus 14.2 to step of 14.2. Okay, you know, step function means what? This value minus 14 to 2 means what? Reaches to minus 15. Step of minus 14 to 14.2 means what? The x is reaches to minus 14 to minus 15. The least value is minus 15. Minus 15 and minus 14, which is least to minus 15. That one you can use here. Minus open interval, minus 15 to. Now 14.2. 14.2 means reaches from 14 to 15. 14 to 15 is which is least? 14. Means we can find out all values which are from minus 15 to plus 14, including minus 15 as well as plus 14 also. We can take minus 15 to plus 14, all values. This is interval form. It is closed interval. Minus 15 to 14 means what we can take? That to step function. We can take minus 15, minus 14, minus 13, 0, 13, 14, etc. So which option is correct one? This is correct, but option is not like this. Is given that interval form, this is in set form, in which minimum value is minus 15. Where is a minus 15? Yes, from this one may be correct. These two are not at all correct. What is the last one? 14. So among these two, which is the maximum value is 14? Yes, this is a maybe this one, but it is minimum value 15, maximum is 14 is 100%. Fourth option. It's very simple, but you have to concentrate on step function as well as a mod function. Okay, look at the next two questions 3 and 4, which are given MCET 2012. Okay, these two are very simple. What is this? We can understand that to follow this session, just you have to watch the what are maybe uploaded on the topic functions as part 1 to 3 4. You should watch them because in each part I have explained one content. That is great helpful to you. Then only you can understand these are easily. Okay. For example, question number 3, what is given here? If f from R to R plus and g from R plus 1 to R are two functions such that g of f of x is given as mod sin x and f of g of x is given as sin root x whole square, then a positive choice for f and g. So for which f of x and g of x, these two conditions are true, you have to check. Just you have to use the options. You can consider the options like this. First you can consider first option, f of x is equal to x square. F of g of x means f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to sine root x. Suppose if you take, what is f of g of x means? What f of g of x in the sense sine root x. F of sine, if you want to verify the first option, suppose f of x is equal to x square, g of x is equal to sine root x. F of g of x means f of g of x is sine root x. Okay, sine root x substituted in the function f. What is f of x is x square, means what here? Sine root x whole square. Sine root x whole square. So f of g of x is sine root x whole square. Is it s sine root x whole square? It is true, maybe. But you have to consider next one also. G of f of x also you have to consider. That is also true. Then only first option is correct one. Now you can consider g of f of x. G of f of x. What is f of x here? X square. G of f of x I am writing now. That is g of f of x is x square. Now g of x square means what? In place of sine x, sine root x, in place of x we can write root x. Means what? Sine root x square. Sine root x square is a sine mod x. Sine mod x. But here, what is there here? Mod sine x is there. Sine mod x is different from mod sine x. Means what? It is not a correct option. Same way, if you verify the second option also it is not correct. Now I will show to you third option. What is third option here? Same way we can think about third option. F of g of x I am taking. F of g of x. G of x is what in third option? Root x. Okay. And f of root x. In place of the g of x is root x. F of root x means in the function sine square x. Wherever x is there, take the root x. Means what? Sine square root x. Sine square root x we can write sine root x whole square. S. F of g of x is sine root x whole square. Yes, it is correct. Now in reverse, f of g of x is over. Now g of f of x we have to verify it. G of f of x means what? G of f of x here sine square x. Sine square x. And sine square x you can substitute g of x function. Where is the x is there here? G of x is root x means what? This is root over sine square x. Root over sine square x is means root in the sense plus or minus, in the sense mod sin x. That's it. Okay. You know g of f of x is mod sin x. Is it true? And f of g of x is sine root x whole square is also true. Therefore 100% is clearly third option. Like that we have to use a verification. Clear? Now we can consider on the next question. This also I did this model in previous videos. So what is given clearly? If f from z to z, z you know that clearly integers, is defined as f of x is defined as one case x by 2 if x is even. For all even values f of x we can choose it as x by 2. It means for all values of x odd numbers we can choose f of x is 0. Now we have to think about f is onto but not 1 1, 1 1 but not onto, means we have to check the type of the function. For the types of function here there is 1 1 onto, we have to verify that. So this video is also I uploaded. How can you recognize 1 1 onto? Just you can watch those videos. First we will check the 1 1 is or not. 1 1 we can check. 1 1 verification. For 1 1 what do you know about 1 1? Distinct elements as a distinct images, means different elements as a different images, then only it is 1 1. If at least two elements has the same image, it's not a 1 1. We can observe that, you know, f of x is defined as x by 2 when x is even. You know, even number. 0 is also even number or not? X is equal 0 is even number. And f of x means what? F of x is equals to x by 2 in case of even. And f of 0 is 0 by 2 is 0. At x is 0, f of 0 is 0. Means what? What is 0 image is 0. Now we can concentrate. What is the f of x is 0 given as 0 if x is odd. Odd numbers means you can choose x is equals to 1. Odd number. Given that particularly f of x is 0 means what? F of x is 0 means what? F of 1 is equal to 0 and x is odd. Means what? F of 1 is equals to 0. For x is even, 0 we got. For x is odd also we got the 0. Means what? 0 and 1 has the same image 0. Is it 1 1? It's not 1 1. Both have the same images, not a 1 1. It's not 1 1. Means what? Not 1 1 is there. Where is it? Not 1 1. 1 1 is not correct option. 1 1 to on to is not correct option. Maybe neither 1 1 nor on to or first option may be correct. Means what you have to check now on to also. On to case we have to observe that range is equals to codomain. Range, how can you find out? You know already x values are even values mean 0, 2, 4, 6, etc. Maybe negatives also because here z is there. These are the x values. Z can take integers, maybe negative or positive also. Okay, we can observe that now. F of 0 is 0, just now only got it. And f of 2 is even number. F of 2 by 2 is 1. F of 4 by 2 is 2, etc. We can observe that here. If take all positive even numbers, 0 is neither positive nor negative, but 2, 4, 6, etc. If you take 1, 4, 3 and so on, you can get. Means all positive integers you can get. Same way if you use the negative integers like f of minus 2. F of minus 2. If you take the x is equals to minus 2, what happened? Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. F of minus 4 is minus 2. Means that you can get all negative integers also including 0. Means or what is this range? Range is equals to, range is the set of the integers or not? So 0 is there, all positive integers are there and all negative integers are also there. All negative integers are also there. Range is equals to z, that is equals to codomain or not? If the range is equals to codomain, that is clearly onto. So it is, but not 1 1 but onto. 1 1 not but onto. Okay, this is onto case. Onto. Okay, so means which option is correct one? From 1 and 4 onto but not 1 1. That is clearly first option. Okay, let's look at the next two questions which are given MCET 2013. Question number 5. What is given here? Let f be a non-zero real valued continuous function satisfying this equation. This is important equation. F of x plus y is defined as f of x into f of y. For which function it is defined, you have to choose. What that I will explain now. And for every xy belongs to R, and also f of 2 value is given as 9. Then we can find out f of 6 value. Here we have to use the general functions. What are the general functions which are defined so and so definition? For example, the function defined as a function defined f of x plus y is equals to f of x into f of y, then f of x is equals to some a power x exponential function. It is defined like this. We have to choose the function as f of x is equal to a power x. This is called as exponential function. You know, in place of x, if you take the x plus y, what happened? F of x plus y is equals to a power of x plus y. A power of x plus y, we can write a power x into a power y. Means what? F of x into f of y or not? F of x into f of y or not? You have to remember this definition. When the function is defined f of x plus y is equals to f of x into f of y, then the function should be exponential function. You should remember this general function. Like logarithmic functions also will define like this. In case of logarithmic function, f of xy is equals to f of x plus f of y will be defined like log x to the base a. Like that, you have to think about some general functions for easiness purpose. So indirectly f of x is, we have to take a power x. We don't know what is a. We have to find out a first. To find out this a base is given that f of 2 is equals to 9. That one you have to use. F of 2. F of 2 is equals to 9. We have to use that is first. F of 2 means what? In place of x take the 2. In place of x take the 2 means for a square. A square is given as 9. That means 3 square. A square is equal to 3 square means indirectly a is equals to 3 or not? Yes. A is equals to 3. Powers are equal means we can equate their bases. Therefore, we got the a is equals to 3 means what? The function fx becomes a is the 3 means what? Therefore, the function f of x is the 3 power x, right? We got the f of x function is 3 power x. Now, if we ask any result like f of 6, f of 1, f of 0, we can find out from this one. In this question is asking f of 6 result. Now, what is f of 6 means what? In place of x, take the 6. f of 6 means what? 3 power 6. That's it. In place of x, you may ask any result. First, you have to find out the function. According to this definition, you have to choose the general function. From that, we have to find out the some unknown value a by using the given condition. Right? This is very simple question. For that, this is a key point. That's it. 3 power 6 is which option? Yes, it is clearly second option. Right? Now we can come to the next question. It is also very simple, but what is given condition you have to understand. You have to find out set of the values of x. What is the meaning of this? Set x belongs to R means we have to find out set of the values of x which are belongs to R and define this is. Means what is defined as log of 1 minus 6 whole power 1 minus x square with minus of 0.625 whole power 6 into 1 plus x. For what values of x this function is defined, we have to find out. Okay, what is this function? This is in the form of just like log fx. It is in the form of just like log fx. This is think fx. Okay, log fx is defined. You know, log of fx defined condition for logarithm. This tip you have to remember. This tip you have to remember. Log fx defined as when fx is only greater than 0. Log fx to any base, to the base generally I am taking a, e, whatever may be. Here e is given, there is no particular base means it is e is defined when f of x is must be greater than 0. Means what? Indirectly we can take this resultant function is greater than 0. That is only how to use here. From that we can find out our x value. So we can collect this is according to this concept. F of x plus what is that? 1 minus 1.6 whole power 1 minus x square with minus of 0.625 whole power of 6 of 1 plus x is a greater than 0. Okay, from this what you can understand that 1.6 we can add 16 by 10 whole power 1 minus x square. By taking this minus is that side becomes plus is greater than 0.625 you can add 625 by after the decimal there are the 3 digits means we can divide by 1000. After decimal 1 digit means what? This is divided by 10. After elimination of this decimal part. Overall power what is given? 6 of 1 plus x is a greater than. Okay, right. You know, by the simplification here 2 8s 2 8s 6 2 5s 10 means what? This is a 8 by 5 whole power 1 minus x square. Here we can understand that 625 and by 1000 becomes 5 by 8. 6 into 1 plus x. Okay, you can understand that. 625, 25, 25, 625, 25, 40, 625. Again, 25 means what? 5 5s, 5 8s. Like that we can take the simplification of this is 5 by 8. Here 8 by 5 is there, but here 5 by 8. After this is here 8 by 5 whole power 1 minus x square is asked is. Here I am taking reverse order. If you take the reverse order 8 by 5, 5 by 8 becomes 8 by 5. This sign becomes minus 6 of 1 plus x. Okay, after we can understand that bases are 8 by 5, 8 by 5. Now we can equate the powers in the same relation. What is the power of left side? Power of 8 by 5 left side is minus 1 by x square is greater than power of the 8 by 5 in right side is minus 6 of 1 plus x means what? Minus 6 minus 6x. Right. I am taking all these terms on that side. This is 0 greater than minus x square becomes plus x square minus 6x and minus 6 plus 1 becomes minus 1 means minus 7. So in reverse order 0 is greater than x square minus 6x minus 7 means what? In reverse order x square minus 6x minus 7 is less than 0. We can find out its factors. We can get the x plus 1 into x minus 7 factors you can get. Try to split the factors. X plus 1 to x minus 7 is less than 0 means x belongs to open interval minus 1 to 7. You have to know when it is open interval, when it is a closed interval, etc. Interval notations are very helpful to you. Try to understand. If you have any doubt, put a comment. Definitely I will rectify your doubts. These are the applications. In case of functions, there will be more applications. Try to understand. We want the x value, set of the values of x is what? X belongs to open interval -1 to 7. That is clearly which option? Yes, 100% fourth option. Here we concentrated on the log function concept as well as interval concept. Is it clear? Look at the next two questions, 7th and 8th, which are given EAMCET 2014. Both are so simple questions. What are those? We'll look at here. If R is set of real numbers, that is you know very well, and F is different from R minus set 2. What is the meaning of this is, R real numbers except 2, it can take its domain, and the range is, codomain is R, is defined by f of x is equals 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Simply, f of x is defined as 2 plus x by 2 minus x for every x belongs to R minus set 2 means what? In its domain value. Nothing to worry that one for that one. So f of x is defined is what? That is important here. Then find the range of f is. You have to find out range of f means what? You have to find out this resultant function. Okay, what is range of the resultant function? Range in the sense resultant value means what? Simply output. Domain is input. X values what are defined on the function is nothing but domain. Range is means for what values of x the function comes, that is called as range. Okay. Simply you have to find out this f of x result. To find out the f of x result, for easiness purpose I am taking, let f of x is some y. F of x is equals to y. To find out the range, there are the different methods. There are the rational function like this simple function. We can take f is a in terms of y. If there are the set of the values are limited values like x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, we can substitute those values, x values. We can find out f of x values. Like that we can do. That is depends upon the question to question. Finding the range process is important. Finding the range process is different. Okay. In this case, if there is a simple rational function, we can use the process like this. F of x is taken as some y, means indirectly y is given as 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Indirectly we want the y value, set of values of y. To find out set of the values of y, can take the cross multiplication, that is x into y into 2 2y with minus x into y minus xy is equals to 2 plus x. In this case, whatever may be x terms right one side, here 2y is left side, by taking the minus xy is the right side, it becomes plus xy, plus 2 left side becomes minus 2. Minus 2 is equals to x plus xy, right. Now we can observe that 2y minus 2, by taking the x is common here, by taking x is common, what happened? Yes, 1 plus y is left over. From this one, what is x in terms of y? That is 2y minus 2 by 1 plus y is x. Now we can concentrate on this function now. When the x is defined, the value of 1 plus y not equals to 0. Because of what is there? 1 plus y is there in the denominator. You know in denominator, 0 is undefined. Means for its definition, when x is defined, when y is not equals to, when denominator is defined, it is defined. After collecting the x in terms of y, how to concentrate for what value of x y is defined, that is only required range. Now we'll understand that x is defined when the denominator is not equals to 0. Means what? 1 plus y is not equals to 0. In the sense, y is not equals to minus 1. Y is not equals to minus 1 means except to minus 1 is different for all real values of x. Okay, this is a different for all real values of x. xy, 2y minus xy, right. It is different for all real values of x except to minus 1. Means what is range? Range is equals to r except to minus 1. If you remove the like this, minus means what? Excluding that value. It is not defined, that is we can remove from all real numbers, because of in all real numbers there is a minus 1 also, but minus 1 is not defined. That's why what is our correct option? The option is clearly r except minus 1 is second option. Okay, like this we can find out range of this function, right. Now we can come to the next question. Simple way I am doing that question. If f of x is given as p minus x power n whole power 1 by n, and given that p is greater than 0 and n is positive integer. So you know p value is there, n value is there in this question. So I am eliminating the n and p, like take the assumptions. Okay, for easiness purpose, what is the p greater than 0? Greater than 0, I am taking for p is equal to some 1. And n is positive integer, means n is also I am taking as a 1. Not only one, any value you can take, but simple values you have to take. 1 is positive integer, and p is equal to 1 means what is greater than 0? 1 is also greater than 0. p1, n1 substitute in the f of x function. Substitute here, therefore f of x function is defined as, in place of p I am taking the 1 minus x power n is 1. 1 minus x whole power 1 by n is 1 only. Therefore, f of x is 1 minus x. Now, what we want now? F of x. Therefore, f of x is, that is f of, in place of f of x we can write 1 minus x. Again, f of 1 minus x means what? In the place of x we can write 1 minus x in this function. That means 1 minus of 1 minus x. Therefore, this is clearly 1 minus x plus x. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled. This is a x. Which option? Yes. This resultant value is a x is in a clearly first option. We can choose the values like these are some tricks. What I use? Some trick I use. Assumption of p and n values for easiness purpose. Is it clear? Right? We can come back across some more questions. Yes, look at the next two questions which are given EAMCET 2015. Okay, what is this question? Let Q be set of rational numbers. What is a Q? Q is set of rational numbers in the 0 to 1, and F is different from closed interval 0 1 to closed interval 0 to 1, means domain and codomain are same, and defined as f of x is x. For every x belongs to Q, means for every rational number f of x is equal to x, and f of x is also defined as 1 minus x for all x does not belongs to R, which are not rational. F of x is defined as 1 minus x. Okay. Then we have to find out set of the values of x which is belongs to 0 to 1 such that f circle f of x is equals to x. For what values of x, f circle f of x is defined as x, that one we have to find out finally. Very simple here. We can understand here what is x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1. X belongs to closed interval 0 to means what? 0, 1 including and lies between 0 to 1 also we can take. What are the values which are lies between 0 to 1 are rational numbers, as well as 0 and 1 is also rational number. Means it totally belongs to Q. 0 is rational number, 1 is also rational number, and also between the values from 0 to 1 including the what are the values which are lies between 0 to 1 also rational numbers. Means what? Indirectly x belongs to 0 to 1 means what? X belongs to rational numbers. X belongs to rational numbers. F of x is defined as what? X belongs to Q. F of x is defined as what? F of x is defined as x only. Okay. We have to find out the set of values of x which are 0 to 1. So, what is the definition here? F circle f of x must be x. First, x belongs to closed interval 0 to 1 means you know that clearly all these are the indicators of rational numbers. No irrational here. Root 2 is not there. Root 2 is 1.4. It's more than 1 is not there. Root 3 is 1.7 nearly. That is also not there. These are entirely rational numbers only. There is no question of not a rational numbers. Okay. Every integer also rational number. Right? Right. F of x is equals to x. If we can take this is f of x is equal to x. Now what is the definition here? Therefore, f circle f of x is a x is given. F circle f of x means what? F of x is x, right? This is I discussed in part 1, composite functions, that's f circle g circle f. That video you can watch. What is f of x is what? X. Now f of x plus we can write x is equals to x. F of x is equals to x. This means what? Indirectly what is x? F of x is equal to x means what? I can get the same result again. That is a closed interval 0 to 1 only. Right. Same result only can get. Closed interval 0 to 1. That means clearly which option? Closed interval 0 to 1 is clearly third option. That's it. Now come to the question number 10. If f from natural numbers to real number set is defined as f of n plus 1 is 3 times of f of n plus 2. For n is greater than equals to 1, then f is. And also given that f of 1 value is minus 1, you have to find out this f nature. 1, 1 onto type of this function you have to recognize. 1, 1 onto constant and so on so you have to recognize. For that what you have to use? You have to use this definition f of n plus 1 is 3 times of f of n plus 2. To use f of 1 is minus 1, put n is equals to 1 on both sides. N is equal to 1 on both sides means what? 1 plus 1, 2 left side. Right side 3 into f of 1 plus 2. What is f of 1 value is a minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 plus 2 is a minus 1. What is image of 2 is minus 1. Image of 1 is also minus 1 given. Now n is equals to 2 I am taking. N is equal to 1 if I take f of 2 value minus 1 we got. Now by taking n is equals to what will be happen? 2 plus 1 3. F of 3 how to get? F of 3 value 3 f of 2 plus 2. F of 2 value already got minus 1. F of 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 3 plus 2 is equals to minus. Like this we can observe that the image of 1 is minus 1, image of 2 is also minus 1, image of 3 is also minus 1, so on. All elements have the same image. F of 1, f of 2, f of 3 and so on. If you do like this, all images are same. Such type of function is nothing but constant function. Every element has a same image. Such type of function is called as constant function. So what is the option? Clearly third option, right? Look at next two questions which are given EAMCET 2016. So simple questions. What are these questions? Simple way I am doing this is, first of all, 11th one, if f of x is defined as x square minus 2x plus 4, f of x is defined as what? X square minus 2x plus 4. Then the set of values of x satisfying this equation. You have to find out what are the values of x which are satisfying this equation. Is given that x values like this, set 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 and set 1, 2 are given. Just I am using the options verification without calculating anything. So first of all, if you use the first option, minus 1. By taking the minus 1 left side, what happened here? F of, by options we can do it easily. By taking the x is equals to minus 1 here, left side is LHS is f of minus 1 is minus 2. F of minus 2. In place of x, take the minus 2, what happened? Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. Okay, this is left side. Whatever right side? Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. F of 0. F of 0 value is 4. It's not equals to 4 means what? It is not a minus 1 is correct option. Minus 1 is not correct option means what? Is not first option as well as third option also, because minus 1 is there in a third option also. Now we can concentrate on second option. What is second option? This is first option I use. Second option I am using this 1. Take the x is equals to 1 here in left side. LHS is x is equals to 1 means f of 0. F of 0 we got already here 4. F of 0 we got it as 4. And right side we can observe that x is equals to 1 means what? This is LHS. RHS we can consider. X is 1 means f of 2. F of 2 value we can check it. 2 square 4. 2 into 2 is minus 4 with the minus is there. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 plus 4 is 4 only. You know LHS is equals to RHS for second option. Second option is what? 1. So maybe second option, because 1 is there in second option as well as a fourth option also. Maybe second option or fourth option. In fourth option you can check the 2. X is equals to, if you substitute f of 2 minus 1, f of 1. F of 1 is here 1 plus 4, 5. 5 minus 2 is a 3 left side. Whatever right side? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. F of 3 is 3 square 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 4, 7. It is not equals to RHS. Therefore, it is not a fourth option. It is clearly second option. If there is any confusion in case of option verification, take the x minus 1 is a function left side and x plus 1 is right side. You have to expand it. But in objective course, most probably should avoid the lengthy process, right? Is it clear? It is 100% second option. Now, can come to the next question. The number of real linear functions f of x satisfying this is. Linear function means what? It is a identity function. Means what? For linear function means f of x is equal to x function. Linear means first degree function. Linear function in the sense f of x must be x. This is also known as identity function. That is also known as linear function. F of x is equal to x indirectly is given. And it is satisfied on this one. How many functions, such type of functions are there, we have to recognize. So what is the condition here? F of x must be equals to x plus fx. What is f of x here? X, that is linear function. In place of f of x, take the x, that is f of x. Left side is I am taking as it is, right side. In place of f of x, you can write x plus f of x is also x. X plus x is 2x. 2x means 2 times of this linear function or not? So how many times of the function is just 2 times. 2x means 2 times of this linear function. That is which option? It is clearly fourth option. That's it. So how many types of linear functions exist which are satisfying this condition is asking. Linear function means what? Identity function. It is in the form of x, f of x equal x. Is it clear? So these are the various questions I discussed in this session. Previous sem set on the topic functions as a part 1. Till 2016 questions I did. Some more questions I will discuss in part 2. I hope so I followed this is very well. Please watch the video carefully from starting to ending. And also before watch this session, we have to watch there are the various parts I uploaded on the topic functions whose links are there in the playlist which are added in the description. Some links can be opened. Click the I button. So those are mostly helpful to you to follow this previous, right? So if you make sure to enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe. I conclude this video is here. I will come with new video. Till then, have a great time. Take care. Bye bye. Right.